Hi everyone, Michelle here today. I'm going to be using my Pocket Life kit today to show you how I bring my journal cards to life. Journaling cards, you can do, project life type projects or scrapbook layouts or even just by themselves. And I just want to show you a couple simple ways to just add elements to these to make them come to life. So I have a couple examples. I'm going to do something similar, but this is just some fun ideas you can use. And I'm going to show you how you can also use this as a layout with your scrapbooks when we're done. So I'm going to start off with a really nice cheery journaling card. And I've also grabbed a tag from my Pocket kit. And I'm going to just glue this on. You could use tape if you want it to be a little bit more 3D, or you can just leave it like this. I'm just going to kind of leave it like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a photo, and I used black and white because I feel like it makes the contrast with this come out more with the colors. So I have an adhesive on the back. I'm just going to go ahead and peel that off. And I just love how the black and white photos look too. They look really nice. And I'm gonna dab that on there. And now I am going to grab some tape. I'm gonna use some foam tape because I want this to pop out just a little bit. So here's some double-sided foam tape, and I'm just going to pick a spot. You can either put on the bottom or the top. I guess I'll put on top because I don't want to cover the flowers, but I love how that looks. And you could obviously add some puffy stickers and things like that to make this come out a little bit more. Let's see how this one looks. This might be too big. I kind of like that there. Let's see. No, I think I just like that, Okay, and then next, I'm going to grab another card, a journaling card, and I've cut out some of my tags, and I have a picture here. So I'm going to put that on. If you don't have an adhesive for your pictures, then you'll just want to kind of glue it on the back. But I like how this looks when it sticks out of the photo. And I don't want to cover up the bottom because I want to save these moments right here. And I'm excited to use some of my fabric dyes. I thought this would be really cool to use here. And I also want to say I have these fabric dyes, but if you're not trying to cover up a picture, I think that these would look so good if you don't have anything over it, also on top of the journaling card sewed. But I want this to show. So I'm going to actually stick a little bit of foam tape on the back of this. I kind of just place it where you can't see it on the back. I love these new fabric dyes. They're so much fun. But I like how that looks. And maybe a little sticker right here. And I want to show you how you can use these in several different ways. So you can see I have these all set up, and I kind of kept them the same tone. And here's also a way you can use this as a key. You know, you can put it on top of a key ring and use it as a almost like a tag album, but it could be a project album and you could flip through it. Or you can take your cardstock and you can do a layout, and what you would do is probably just lay them out the way you want to see it. And scatter them kind of on here. So this is actually a little bit roomier, but you could scatter them on your layout and have it kind of like that. So those are just some fun ideas. But this was just a really quick way to show you how to really make your little journaling cards come to life. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like to see more, don't forget to subscribe. We always have tons of ideas on here, and everyone is just so talented, and there's just a lot of inspiration, and you don't want to miss it. All right, guys, thanks so much.